Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to connect Domain to your Wix. So here at their homepage, you're gonna go ahead and go to connect domain here, and then you're gonna type in your website, kirsamin.com, and then let's hit let's go and click make it yours. So here you need to avail their premium account so you can proceed with the process. So here they have 1 year, 2 year, 3 year plan, and choose a plan you like and go ahead and hit continue. And here you're gonna provide your contact information and everything else to proceed and fill out the necessary information. And if this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.